Keep the line moving. We need 3 more pallets on this truck.
Right. Okay, let's move this one.
Careful with the weight.
We need more crates over here.
Keep the flow steady on line 3. We're hitting record numbers. Yeah. Looks good from here, almost full.
Keep the pace steady, team. We're clear through the intersection.
Copy that, rolling heavy to the factory.
Purity levels stable, flow rate optimized. The filtration process officially begins. Increasing flow rate by 5%. Maintain synchronization across all networks. System check complete on line 3.
Acknowledged. We are clear for production.
We had a cap misalignment on line 3.
The system caught it. Production is stable. Manifest confirmed for shipment 302. Dock 4 is clear. Send the next one in.
Pallet 7 Bravo confirmed for Nashville. Confirmed. Refrigeration holding at 34. Keep the line moving. We have another shipment arriving in 10 minutes. Understood. Pushing it through.
Cheers to the taste of summer.